Housing prices are going through the roof, and a lot of people are concerned that we are in a housing bubble. Well, I'm going to answer all the questions that you might have on this. Check this out. Okay, because this has been something that I get that I've been getting over and over and over and over. Is this a bubble? Is the market going to crash? Should I get into real estate with the thought that, oh no, it's going to bottom out? I'm young, I'm confused, I'm excited, but I'm confused. Let me explain to you why we're in the market that we're in, okay? And I drew an incredible graph. I mean, I really took a lot of time on this, and I really worked hard on this, and let me show you.
That's a great graph, by the way.
Look at this.
That's really good.
New single-family houses. When I say new, that means that they were built, like brand new, right? Developers have built brand new houses. Well, let's look at what happened here, all right? In the 1970s, 26 million homes were built in the 70s, between 70 and 79. In the 80s, 80 to 89, guess how many houses? Mike, you want to hit me with that? How many houses you think? 26 million houses, right? In the 90s, boom, the 90s. Like that picture that I don't know why this is the 90s, but this is good. The 90s, that was a picture of Mike and I just a second ago. 26 million houses. 2000 to 010, 26 million houses. The market crashed in 2008. It filtered out to 2010. All of a sudden, 2010 to 2020, 6 million homes were built. 6 million homes were built when the average is 26 million. We have a lack of 20 million new houses. Not only that, but we went from 308 million people in this country to 333 million people. That's a 24 million person increase in population in our country, while there's 20 million houses that weren't built over a 10-year period from 2010 to 2020. And then guess what happened, Mike? Guess what happened? We got a pandemic. Everything stopped. Everything got stopped for a year in 2020. So why is the market going like this? Because of supply and demand. It's supply and demand. That's what it is. Go ahead, Mike.
Dude, that 90s dance was solid.
Plus,
we were looking good back in the 90s.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I know. People don't know. Anyway, that's it. That is why we have the market that we have right now. It's not because we have a bubble. It's not because of course, the affordability is great. The interest rates have been great during this time. It's because there's no inventory. There's not enough houses for people to buy. That's why there's so much competition. That's why there's 15, 20 offers on every single property. So when you come with that thought, or that thought gets pounded into your head by somebody that has no idea what they're talking about, or maybe they just heard something from somebody else, or they're watching the news, because nothing. Well, there's plenty of other things that get headlines, but one of the best headlines that the media can put out there is the housing bubble is going to crash. Everything's going to crash. Doom and gloom. Doom and gloom. Doom and gloom. Well, listen, they got to start building more houses. They got to start building more houses before the inventory catches up to the population. They got to build more houses before the inventory matches up to the demand. That's why we're in this place right now. That's why it's an absolute bananas time to be in this business. All right? And to be going after real estate, and to buying real estate, and to finding these opportunities, right? But it starts with the foundation of being a real estate entrepreneur. The foundation. Do you have that graphic? I know it's old school. I mean, a few weeks ago.
Which one was it?
The one where it's the wholesaling is the foundation, and then it has the little houses on it.
Yeah, just give me a minute.
Yeah, Matt's going to pull it up. The foundation of real estate investing is finding discounted properties. And then you have so many different strategies that you can go after. You can take one, you could take all of them, right? You can start flipping properties. You can start building your rental portfolio. You can start developing. You can start being the bank. You can start a coaching and training business. There it is. Here it is. The land here is discounted properties. All right? And then you go into all these other parts. But I'm telling you, you build a solid foundation like anything else, like building a bridge, building a house, building a skyscraper, building a strong mindset. It starts with the foundation. The foundation is discounted properties, which is wholesaling. Look how sunny it is there. I love that. This is where I live. This is a picture of my neighborhood, Mike. It is. I've done all these. I mean, I've done those and I'm doing all these. I mean, that's how exciting this business is. But I'm telling you, when I was like wildly in debt and riding a bicycle because I couldn't fix my car, that bottom part, that green part pulled me out. Pulled me out. Wholesaling properties pulled me out and enabled me to now live on this street. Right? Come be my neighbor. How about that? Come be my neighbor, start building your foundation, discounted properties, and then we'll start doing some fix and flips and rental portfolios and development and be in the bank and training and coaching and giving back to the community. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. We're on fire today.
Oh, that was a great rant.
We're on fire today.
If you like that video, hit that subscribe button. We come out with new videos every single day. And if you want your questions answered, like you and I, one-on-one, make sure that you join us for the live show every single Wednesday. I will see you there.